My favorite corner is my balcony, where I get harmony. A place where I am my own, and to me, I am known. Where I have my sip of tea, and I feel totally free. A place where I think, I smile. When upset, this place embraces me. Click selfies, which I love to do, as may मेरी favorite हो. A place where sun pours its rays on me and a new shine I can see. A corner where I pamper myself. Time spent with plants and flowers, which gives me energy and power. A place where I observe the sky and its beauty, which makes me relax, and I happily do all my household duties. A place where I keep my bappa to feel the nature. When make a new recipe, it's a place where I display it. A place where I celebrate festivals and feel magical. My reading area. Overall, a beautiful corner where I get positivity and peace.